Can you help me move this table?
Of course, let's lift it together.
Should we push it closer to the window?
Yes, that spot gets more light.
Wait, it feels a bit heavy.
Let me hold the other side.
Do you think this position looks better?
Yes, the room feels bigger now.
Can you straighten the rug too?
Sure, I'll fix it.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem at all.
Can you cut these vegetables for me?
Yes, how small do you want them?
Please make them thin slices.
Got it, I'll be careful.
Could you also wash the dishes later?
Sure, after we eat.
Is the soup boiling already?
Yes, it smells great.
Can you set the table for us?
I'll bring the plates now.
Please taste the sauce and tell me.
It's perfect, not too salty.
This is more fun when we cook together.
I agree, it feels relaxing.
Can you help me move this chair?
Yes, where should I put it?
Next to the wardrobe, please.
Okay, it fits well there.
Do you mind folding the blankets?
No, I'll do it now. All done.
Can you reach the top shelf for me?
Sure, what do you need?
Let's clean quickly before bedtime.
Good idea.
The room looks much nicer now.
Teamwork always helps.
Thanks for always helping me.
Anything for you.